Okay, so we are going today to show you the Thermo Fisher's MicroWriter, which has two different instruments, one for cassettes and the other one for slides. So today I'm going to show you guys how the MicroWriter is working. So as you see, this machine has a
Get it? Yeah.
Yeah, I give to you. Okay. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah,
I think that's
area which has two ribbons. This is the brand new one, is coming here, and the needle comes here, start printing on it, and this is the used ribbon. So when we are loading the slides here, slides coming from here and then come here, cassettes, and start printing, and then comes out. So we're gonna show how this works. Okay, so first of all we're gonna start with loading the cassette. Okay, make sure that this slide you're seeing here, it's gonna face down because the printer is gonna work from the downside. Okay, this side. Alright, so let's go through the software here. Software name is Barcode 2. So we have two areas, one for cassette and one for slides. So since we are using cassettes now, I'm just gonna work on this area. So on the left hand side, there's area that you can put the information for your patients. The path number, the number of the cassette that you're using, or number of the patient, it depends on your laboratory's regulation. So the location, sometimes if you have for each patient like 3-4 different types of tests that you need to do, so you're having the same information but tests A, B, C, D. So if you have only one, keep the range in 1. If you have 2, 3, you can put 2, 3, 4, which I'm putting 3 cases here. So, and the name of the patients here, you can put whatever it allows you in terms of the character. So the important thing here is make sure to uncheck these cassettes and slides. So this C stands for cassettes, S stands for slides. And if you check each of these, it means that the machine is not going to include this. It is like vice versa. So you have to uncheck them. So the machine is going to include all the criteria we have defined here. Okay? So when we do this, we're going to come down here and send to Q. So when we send to Q, we see that it's going to print us 3 different slides with same patient's name but A, B, C. And the A is gonna come out first, then B, then C. Again, make sure uncheck these. If you check, for example, B here, it is not going to print B, and it's gonna jump from A to C. Okay, so I'm just unchecking this, and now I'm going to start printing. So as you see here, the machine is printing, and now it's gonna send us the back to the machine. You see that this area is empty. It means the printing is done. So the same thing happens to the slides when we explain how to do with the slide printing. The instruction is going to be same.